Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to easily mute a video in Capcut Mobile, so let's jump right into it. Now if you want to have no sound in your video after you export it, just follow up with me. Go ahead and open Capcut and then tap on New Project and then choose the video that you want to mute. For me it is this one right here, so I'm going to tap on it and then tap on Add on the bottom right corner. From here all you need to do is to tap on the video and scroll down on the bottom right here until you find this feature that's called volume. Tap on it and then tap on the circle in the middle right here and drag it. All you need to do is to drag it towards 0 and then tap on the tick on the bottom right corner. Now once you play your video, you have no sound in it, and as you can see here there is a small icon that says no sound. And that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.